Okay, so this is gonna be a video on how to set those Sunco BR30 LED lights. Those are smart lights that you can connect through your Wi-Fi mobile phone, and you can select different colors, temperatures, programming, and all of that. I heard a lot of people struggling on how to set multiple lamps at once. The information is pretty clear here on how to do it. So I will just demonstrate. I have all of those already installed here, but they are not linked to my let's see, mobile app yet. So what I'm gonna do here, I will do 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And now all of these lights should be flashing. I already have 2 here, I have 6 there. So I'm gonna open the app right now. I'm gonna do a pause on this video right here. All right, so I will be using the Faith Electric because this app I'm already using for other lights and other devices. And so I'll just open here, add, and then I will go lighting and device lighting. I'm not gonna show here my password, but it says, well, do you see the lights flashing? Yes, everything is flashing here. So they continue here, and then confirm. It's going to ask for a password, so it says the funny time capsule. That's what I'm gonna use. So I'll do next here. And now it's gonna be searching for the lights. So as it finds the lights, it will stop blinking, as you see. I'll stop blinking right now. And in a couple of minutes, it will give a message here that all these lights have been added. So you already see the Alexa is picking up all of these new lights. So I have all of this here. I can rename those. As I said, I have 6 lights, right? So that's why I have 6 lights here in this program. So I'll do done. I'm not gonna give names right now, and it should add all of them here. So if I go individually, I can make a group later, but if I go individually here, I can start toggling off. As you can see, all of these just new recent added lights have been shut. So all of these lights on top here. And now I have everything on again. So very, very simple. Not hard at all. And yeah, I totally recommend this. I like it. They're very good. So you can use this Smart Life app. I prefer on using my Faith Electric. It works good for me because I have other lights. I also have the Smart Light app here. So I could just do here if I wanted. That would be the same procedure here. You could go lighting and then, Wi-Fi bulbs. It would work, but I prefer to use this one just because I have other things connected already.